Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform. I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily rank data. So here we have a very simple data set with a number of teams, the region they're in, the points they've scored and the goals they've scored, and we want to rank them. Let's start by reading them in and sorting them. Drag the file onto Easy Data Transform. This is a CSV file, but various formats are supported. And let's look at the data. Okay, so now we want to sort this. So we'll add a sort transform. And then we'll sort by points descending. And then when two teams have got the same number of points, we'll sort by goals descending. So here we have our sorted list. Currently we're not worried about region. Now if all the points and goals are distinct, we can just number the rows. So we've added a row num transform, and here you can see each row is numbered from 1 to 10. However, in this case we have some teams with the same number of points and goals, so they should be ranked the same. So we can go back to the sort transform and we can add a rank. So now we can see these two teams A and G with the same number of points and the same number of goals have the same ranking. Now we can use various different types of ranking. So this is called a minimum ranking. So it will go 1, 2, 2, 4. But for example, we can use a dense ranking, which goes 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For more details on the ranking, see the help. In some cases, we might want to partition our ranking. So for example, we might want to use a different ranking for the teams in the North League to in the South League. So let's do that. Let's rank by the region. So now we can see we've got different rankings by the different regions. So for the North region we have 1, 2, 2, 3 and so on. The highest ranking South team has rank 1. Note that the sort transform is smart enough to sort date, text and numeric columns differently. This is a very simple example with only 10 rows, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle data sets with millions of rows. Once we've got the results we need, we can copy them to the clipboard or output them to a file in various formats. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.